Today I'm gonna tell you about noon chai, also called Kashmiri tea, pink tea, gulabi chai, namkeen chai and sheer chai. It is a traditional tea beverage originating in Kashmir and has become popular in Pakistan, India and the Caribbean. Noon chai is traditionally made from specialized green tea leaves called as gunpowder tea, milk, salt and baking soda, and is usually cooked in a samovar until it develops a burgundy coloration. Then ice or cold water is added to shock it and make it stay that color. When milk is added, it combines with the burgundy to yield its signature pink color. Traditional noon chai benefits the health in several ways. 1. Consuming pink tea helps in weight loss. 2. Pink tea is said to relieve constipation. 3. It is said to help reduce stress and anxiety, thus it proves to be a mood booster. 4. Pink tea is good for the heart and it is said to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Consuming pink tea can help regulate blood sugar levels. 6. It is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, hence, it is good for the skin. If you find this information useful, please stay tuned for more.